Rock State Park in Washington. I'm standing on the little boat dock in the Columbia River. This other boat dock is closed because of the high water. You notice at that end the dock is connected, but it's not even high enough that the water is going into the concrete part of the walkway. So that whole area is not open right now. But come over here, this dock, this is floating. This is a little bit higher, so I was able to get out here legally. I'm gonna go ahead and walk over here. Of course, I've actually never been this part before, so I couldn't tell you what normal would look like besides slightly lower water level. I don't even know if there are any more dams down below us or not. So here's the dock I got on. You notice there's Beacon Rock right there. Don't think it's going to show up on camera very well, but there's a walkway. So there's stairs, they zigzag up here on the left, they end up here. There's people zigzagging up there, and they'll end up at the very top. It's a nice little walk. It's about half an hour up and 10 minutes back down. Nice little view, but not a lot of room up there. There's only room for like, I think, 10 people at a time up there, but there's parking for dozens of vehicles. So it's a good thing people don't hang out up there very long. So you notice the top of these pointy things, I forgot what they're called, but it keeps the boats from coming this way, getting themselves stuck. So there's the railroad right there. A train just went by recently, I don't see any more. And then here's the walkway back up to where I came.